I'm George Argo with Argo Electrical Services, and I am the one-coming electrician. This morning, I'd like to talk to you about this 200 amp panel. Now, I've already taken out some of the screws. We've got a couple of screws left. I'd like to open this bad boy up and show you exactly how these guys work. Someone who's inexperienced, definitely a two-man job. I've been doing this for around 30 years. Anyway, so now I'd like to explain the 200 amp panel to you. Now, first off, we have our feeder wires. This wire right here is coming from the electrical service from our utility provider. Bare ground wire, you've got a neutral wire which has a white stripe, and you've got now your 200 amp panel. All of these panels don't have this, but by code, either at your electrical meter base on the exterior of the house or on the interior, you have to have a main breaker. This is a power disconnect. Basically what it will do is, if you had a problem in the house, flip the main breaker and it will kill the power to the entire home. And you've got numerous breakers. This is a square D QO panel, which is they have QOs, they have home. There's really not a whole lot of difference. This is a single phase 2-line panel. Now we got a 2-pole 30 amp breaker here, and we have a 20 amp or 15 amp arc fault breaker. Now these were provided for by the National Electrical Code in 2008. And what this guy does is it measures transient voltage in the electrical system. If that circuit has something going on, it will trip that breaker. Now these guys are a pain in the rear end to install, especially in older homes, because the grounding for the entire circuit has to be completely tied to just that circuit. It can't be tied to any other grounds in the house, and the same for the neutral wires. If you had the neutrals tied like they are here in the panel in multiple circuits somewhere in your property, then this arc fault breaker will not work. Now, then, we've got a couple more of the arc fault breakers. There's a couple more 2-pole breakers. There's the 50 amp. Some of these are for the range, the AC units, and so forth. The hot water heater, or the water heater. The rest of them you have regular 20 amp, 15 amp breakers. Now, the National Electrical Code has now changed. Originally these were just for bedroom circuits, the arc fault breakers. Now they want them in any living space, which basically says you don't have to have them in the laundry room, bathroom, or the kitchen, but you've got to have them anywhere else other than exterior. Like your garage or whatever wouldn't have to, but those receptacles or the exterior walls of the property would be protected by ground fault circuit interrupter receptacles. Now, the last thing I'd like to talk about is, you see right here, this guy right here looks totally different. What this is, it is a surge suppressor or surge protector. It's a whole house surge protector. The way this guy works is it acts like a sponge. And if you get transient voltage into the electrical system, this guy will trip. And what it does is it keeps it from going out into the other circuits onto the property, burning up valuable electronics. Now you can see this guy's got a green line on it right now, and it works just fine. And it's tied in just like a 2-pole breaker, so it's getting both legs, the red leg and the black leg, is protecting your panel. Now these guys have also, you can see here, they've got their panel labeled. What a lot of residential electricians will do is they'll take the stripping off a piece of Romex wire, which is, it's a residential grade sheathed wire. Now and market. This is dishwasher, kitchen receptacle, GFI kitchen, GFI bath, so forth and so on. Anyway, I also like to point out that they've got a couple of skint places in their wire. They have them protected with tape. Anytime you skin any wire, always protect it with tape. Their neutral bar is connected on the back, so this panel is wired exactly like it was supposed to. Anyway, once again, my name is George Argo with Argo Electrical Services, and I am the one coming electrician. If you're interested in having your panel protected with a surge protector, or maybe you've got flickering lights, maybe you've got light bulbs that are continually blowing and you have to change them month after month, give us a call. My phone number is 678-682-0387, or you can click on the link on the bottom of this video. Thanks and have a great day.